Out there in the black abyss lurks a hunter, a predator as silent as it is deadly. This is no ordinary creature though, this is a machine, a marvel of engineering. This is the Akula-Class Submarine. The name itself sends chills down the spines of seasoned sailors. Akula, Russian for shark. And like its namesake, this submarine is a force to be reckoned with. It roams the depths, a phantom menace armed and ready to strike. Imagine a vessel the length of a football field and a half, submerged and practically invisible. Now picture it bristling with torpedoes, missiles, and enough firepower to sink a fleet. That's the Akula. This isn't just a submarine, it's a statement, a symbol of power in a world on edge, and today we're diving deep to uncover its secrets. The Cold War, a time of tension, suspicion, and an arms race that pushed technology to its limits. Nations were on edge, constantly trying to outdo each other in a bid for global supremacy. It was during this era that the Akula was born. A product of necessity and ambition, it represented the pinnacle of Soviet naval engineering. The Soviet Union, locked in a struggle for dominance with the United States, needed an edge. The stakes were high, and the pressure to innovate was immense. They needed a weapon to counter the growing threat of American submarines, especially the Los Angeles class. These American submarines were fast, stealthy, and heavily armed, posing a significant challenge to Soviet naval supremacy. The answer came in the form of Project 971, better known by its NATO reporting name, Akula. This project was a top priority, with resources and expertise poured into its development. This wasn't just an upgrade. It was a revolutionary leap forward in submarine technology, setting new standards for underwater warfare. It was a leap forward in submarine technology. The Akula featured advanced sonar systems, improved hull design, and state-of-the-art weaponry. Larger, quieter, and more heavily armed than its predecessors, the Akula was designed to be the ultimate hunter-killer submarine. Its stealth capabilities made it a formidable adversary in the depths of the ocean. Its development was shrouded in secrecy, hidden behind the Iron Curtain. The Soviets went to great lengths to keep the details of the Akula under wraps, ensuring that their adversaries remained in the dark. But the West knew one thing: the Soviets were building something formidable. Intelligence reports and satellite images hinted at the existence of a new, powerful submarine. And they were right to be worried. The Akula's capabilities far exceeded those of previous Soviet submarines, making it a game-changer in naval warfare. The Akula was unlike anything they had seen before. Its advanced technology and design set it apart from other submarines, making it a true marvel of engineering. The first Akula was launched in 1984, a testament to Soviet engineering prowess. This marked the beginning of a new era in submarine warfare. It was a sign of things to come, a new breed of predator ready to prowl the depths. The Akula-class submarines would go on to become a cornerstone of Soviet naval power, influencing submarine design for years to come. The Akula class isn't just about brute force. It's about stealth, precision, and a mastery of underwater warfare. About being undetectable, a ghost in the water, moving silently and unseen through the depths. To achieve this, the Soviets poured their best minds and resources into its design, creating a marvel of engineering that pushed the boundaries of what was possible. The key? A double-hulled design, a revolutionary approach that set the Akula apart from its predecessors and competitors. This means the Akula has two layers of protection, each serving a critical purpose in its overall stealth and durability. The outer hull, streamlined and sleek, is designed to slip through the water with minimal resistance, reducing drag and noise, but it's the inner hull that houses the crew, the reactor, and the weapons, providing a secure and insulated environment for the submarine's operations. This double layer provides not just strength but also sound insulation, making the Akula incredibly difficult to detect on sonar, a true ghost in the ocean. And it gets even quieter. The Soviets didn't stop at just the hull design. The Soviets went to extraordinary lengths to reduce the Akula's acoustic signature, employing advanced technologies and materials. Special sound dampening tiles coat the hull, absorbing vibrations and muffling the sounds of machinery, making the submarine even harder to detect. Even the propeller blades were designed to minimize cavitation, those telltale bubbles that betray a submarine's position, ensuring the Akula remains hidden. The result? An underwater predator that can slip past enemy defenses undetected, a silent hunter in the deep. Imagine a shark, gliding silently through murky water, its prey oblivious to the danger, until it's too late. That's the Akula, a masterpiece of stealth and power. The Akula-class submarine isn't just about hiding. It's a silent hunter, lurking beneath the waves, waiting for the perfect moment to strike. When it's time to strike, this predator packs a punch. Its offensive capabilities are as formidable as its stealth. Its armament is as diverse as it is deadly, designed to take on a wide range of targets. From enemy submarines to surface ships and even land targets, the Akula is equipped for any mission. Imagine standing before a row of torpedo tubes, each one larger than a man. These are not just weapons, they are instruments of precision and power. The Akula has 8 of these, 4 650mm and 4 533mm, each capable of launching a devastating payload. Capable of launching a devastating volley of torpedoes, the Akula can unleash a barrage that few can withstand. These torpedoes, some guided, some homing in on the sounds of their prey, can cripple or destroy even the largest warships, but that's not all. The Akula's arsenal extends beyond torpedoes. The Akula also carries a variety of missiles. These missiles add another layer of lethality to its already impressive armament. Anti-ship missiles, designed to rip through the armor of enemy vessels, can turn the tide of naval engagements. Land attack cruise missiles, capable of striking targets hundreds of miles inland, extend the reach of the Akula's destructive power. And even anti-submarine missiles, ready to engage other underwater threats, ensure that the Akula can defend itself against any adversary. In total, the Akula can carry up to 40 torpedoes and missiles, a terrifying arsenal by any measure. This combination of firepower and versatility makes the Akula a formidable opponent in any theater of war. It's a testament to the Soviet philosophy of overwhelming force, of being ready for any eventuality. The Akula embodies this philosophy, standing as a symbol of naval dominance and strategic deterrence. The Akula-class submarines, have been involved in a variety of missions since their introduction. These missions range from intelligence gathering and surveillance to strategic deterrence and special operations. One of the key roles, really, is to maintain a constant presence in potential conflict zones, ensuring that any adversary is always aware of their capabilities. This, in turn, acts as a powerful deterrent. Moreover, Akula-class subs have been known to participate in joint exercises with allied navies, showcasing their versatility and strength. These missions, quite frankly, underline the critical importance of the Akula-class in modern naval strategy. So let's take a step back and look at the Akula-class submarine from a broader, global perspective. This vessel, with its advanced capabilities and strategic importance, has not only influenced naval tactics but also geopolitical dynamics. Across the world, navies have had to rethink their strategies and technologies in response to the Akula's presence. It's fascinating, really, how one class of submarine can ripple through the global stage, reshaping the balance of power and prompting innovations in maritime defense. Now let's delve into the process of bringing the Akula to life. The creation of this submarine was no small feat. It required the collaboration of some of the brightest minds in naval engineering and design. From the initial blueprints to the final touches, every detail was meticulously planned and executed. The construction process involved cutting-edge technology and precision engineering, ensuring that the Akula would perform flawlessly in the most challenging conditions. It's a testament to human ingenuity and determination. Moving on to the legacy of the Akula-class submarine. Over the years, the Akula has established itself as a formidable force in naval warfare. Its influence extends far beyond the waters it patrols. The technological advancements and strategic doctrines developed around the Akula have set new standards for submarine design and operation. Moreover, the Akula has inspired a generation of naval architects and engineers, pushing the boundaries of what is possible in submarine technology. Its legacy is one of innovation, strength, and enduring impact. Finally, let's consider the future of the Akula-class submarine in a rapidly changing world. As global threats evolve and new technologies emerge, the Akula must adapt to remain relevant. Modernization programs and upgrades are essential to maintain its edge in underwater warfare. Additionally, the role of the Akula may expand beyond traditional military applications, potentially contributing to scientific research and exploration. The future of the Akula is not just about maintaining its legacy, but also about embracing new opportunities and challenges in an ever-changing landscape.